Access your free language gifts right now, before they expire. Here's what you're getting this month. First, can you talk about your home? With the brand new My House PDF cheat sheet, you'll be able to talk about your home and everything inside. Furniture, the different kinds of rooms, and much more. Download it for free right now. Second, if you love travel, then you'll love this. The brand new Travel Words and Phrases PDF. Learn all the must-know travel phrases with this ebook. Download it for free right now. Third, useful bank vocabulary. This 1-minute lesson gives you all the must-know bank vocabulary so you can start talking about money in your target language. Fourth, essential vocabulary for talking about education. Can you talk about your school and the degree you have? This 1-minute lesson will teach you to do just that. Fifth, free language learning audiobooks for anyone that gets to see this video. You get free access to our huge library of language learning audiobooks. Save them to your device and listen and learn. They're yours to keep forever. And finally, the deal of the month. If you want to finally master the language with audio and video lessons and our complete language learning program, then get 31% off Premium and Premium Plus with the Pretty Big Deal sale. To get your gifts and language learning resources, click the link in the lesson description below. Download them right now before they expire.